Hello, students. I am here with a new topic once again, and the title of the topic is The Squirrel. This is the first poem of class 7th textbook. So, students, before starting this poem, I want to know whether you know the squirrel or not. I think that all of you know it very well. That what is a squirrel? You have seen it somewhere around you, in especially in the village side area, or where you will get nature, where you will get trees. So because it is usually it is usually found in the trees or nearby trees. So this is all about the squirrel. This poem is very short, no doubt, but what is going in the mind of the poem, the what is going in the mind of the poet? Let's see. Um, Here the poet is Mildred Bars Armstrong. So let's see what does Mildred Bars says. He wore a question mark for tail, an overcoat of grey. He sat up straight to eat a nut. He liked to tease and play. And if we ran around his tree, he went the other way. So, this is the very short but very lyrical poem. So, uh, what is the we have already seen it, we have already seen the squirrel all around us. So but the thing is that what is the perception, what is the outlook of a squirrel, or about the squirrel, uh, what is he is going to tell in the poem. Let's see now. He wore a question mark for tail. So here, what does he says that the poet says here that the tail of a squirrel wears a question mark. Means it looks like a question mark. You can easily see here. This is the tail of a squirrel. Is it show? Or is it looking to you? Okay, and it wears a question mark here. So here is a question mark. Now, so what the poet says that the tail of a squirrel looks like a question mark. Okay. The second thing is that what is about the color. Okay. The color of a squirrel you will get that in gray in color. So color, you can say what is the color of the body. You can say, you can see here that that is of gray color. Okay. Next, what does he says? What does he say? He sat up straight to eat a nut. So he is eating a nut, and whenever it eats a nut, then it sits straight. So straight in the his meaning is to say that uh, in alert way, in a very straight way, means in a alert way, and looks here and there whether somebody is coming just near to him or not. Okay. So this is the perception, you can say the outlook of the poet. He liked to tease and play. So he means he stands for squirrel here. So the next, further, the poet says that he liked to tease, means if somebody somebody tease to him, he liked it. And play with the children, play with the others, because children, you have seen that children used to tease it and play with it, throwing some stones upon it, and it ran away from the site, and again it came back, and they repeat the same incident 1 2 3 4 times. So this is the way of enjoyment of the squirrel as well as the children. So you have already done it, or you have seen it. And if we run around his tree, so whenever or when we ran or we chase a squirrel, go behind the squirrel, he went the other way. So he went on the other tree, or he jumped upon the other tree, or sometimes he moves on other side, because it is a shy type of animal, and it likes play with others, no doubt. But on the other hand, it is also very you can say that timid type of creature, so it become a little bit terrified by whenever it sees the people. So it when it got terrified, it jumped upon the other trees and ran away. So this is a very short but a very useful poem. I think that all of you have enjoyed it. Is it so? Okay, thank you.